Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best camping grill table is probably one of the most underrated yet essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast looking to elevate their culinary experience beyond basic campfire cooking, providing a stable, organized, and heat-resistant surface perfect for setting up your portable grill, preparing meals, and keeping all your cooking tools within easy reach, transforming any campsite into a gourmet kitchen. Number 5. BLACKSTONE 5013 Collapsible Tabletop Griddle Stand. This stand is designed to work seamlessly with your BLACKSTONE 17 and 22 tabletop griddles. It offers versatile outdoor cooking applications, making it a perfect companion for your culinary adventures. Crafted from durable powder-coated steel, it ensures long-lasting performance. This robust construction also provides excellent weather resistance, so you can rely on it for years to come. Its collapsible design features folding legs and a removable side shelf. This allows for incredibly compact storage and easy transportation, perfect for any outing. The adjustable legs let you customize its height to suit your needs. This ensures a comfortable cooking position every time, enhancing your outdoor culinary experience. Enjoy an additional work surface with its convenient side shelf. This provides extra meal prep or serving area, greatly enhancing your cooking convenience. Its lightweight and foldable structure makes it incredibly easy to transport. Take it along for camping, tailgating, and all your outdoor adventures without hassle. It provides a stable and elevated surface, keeping your griddle at an ergonomic working height. This design ensures a comfortable and efficient cooking experience outdoors. What we like. This stand offers universal compatibility with popular griddles and features adjustable legs for ergonomic cooking. If you own a BLACKSTONE 17 or 22 griddle and value a comfortable, customized cooking height, this is an excellent choice. Its collapsible design also makes it perfect for easy transport to any outdoor event. What people say. Number 4. GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station. This portable kitchen makes your camp trips epic. It features fold-out side tables for storage and hooks for trash bags or utensils, making it the perfect addition to your tailgating and camping essentials. You can safely use a camp stove on its tabletop, thanks to its strong, heat-resistant aluminum design. This multi-use table is perfect for every activity, from tailgating prep to a campsite kitchen. It brings all the comforts and ease of home wherever you go. This includes 4 durable multi-use side tables, a secure storage rack, and a conveniently located paper towel holder. With its one-piece, no-hassle design, you simply pop it up to make your meal. Thanks to slim fold technology, it slides down to a portable, compact design, easily transported with its built-in carry handle. Despite its robust features, it folds down to a compact size for easy storage. Its aluminum top supports up to 48 pounds, and side tables hold 30 pounds each, ensuring durability for all your outdoor needs. What we like. This cook station transforms your outdoor space into a full kitchen with its heat-resistant tabletop and multiple integrated side tables. If you are looking for an all-in-one portable kitchen solution with ample storage and prep space, this station will elevate your camping or tailgating experience. It truly brings the comforts of home cooking outdoors. What people say. Number 3. Portal Outdoor Folding Camping Table. This table features telescoping aluminum legs, allowing you to adjust its height from 17.7 to 27.5 inches. This versatility ensures it fits perfectly on uneven surfaces, ready for any outdoor adventure. An integrated mesh layer underneath offers convenient extra storage for your essentials. You can easily attach or remove this layer as needed, providing flexibility for your gear. Its aluminum slat top rolls up, and the legs fold compactly. With the included carry bag, it becomes incredibly compact, making storage and transportation effortless. Setting it up takes less than a minute, yet it offers surprising strength and stability. This makes it ideal for camping, tailgating, or even just relaxing in your backyard. It measures 35.4 by 20.9 by 27.5 inches when open, yet folds down to a mere 7.1 by 5.1 by 35.4 inches. Weighing only 9 pounds, it can still support up to 132 pounds. What we like. This table stands out with its highly adjustable height and a unique roll-up aluminum tabletop for superior portability. If you prioritize extreme portability and need a versatile table that adapts to various terrains and uses, this lightweight option is ideal. Its quick setup and compact storage make it perfect for spontaneous adventures. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per instructions. Number 2. Camco Olympian Deluxe Portable Grill Table. This portable grill table offers abundant room for all your grilling essentials. It's perfect for picnics, camping, tailgating, or even your backyard. It features a spacious top shelf, 2 convenient side shelves, and a lower storage shelf. Plus, it includes a paper towel holder and 5 utensil hooks to keep everything organized. Constructed with a high-strength steel frame and an aluminum top, this table is incredibly durable. Its top shelf can support up to 100 pounds, while the side shelves handle 20 pounds each. When you're done, it quickly collapses into a compact size for effortless storage. This makes it incredibly easy to transport wherever your adventures take you. Setting it up takes just seconds, so you can start grilling almost immediately. It even comes with a durable carrying case for ultimate convenience on the go. What we like. This deluxe table provides an abundance of dedicated space for all your grilling essentials, featuring multiple shelves, a paper towel holder, and utensil hooks. If you like to have all your grilling gear neatly organized and within reach, this table offers an expansive and functional setup. It's perfect for serious grill masters who need a comprehensive outdoor cooking station. What people say. No reviews provided in the source. No reviews provided in the source. Number 1. Yukon Glory Portable Grill Table and Griddle Stand. This flat-top station goes anywhere you need it. It features adjustable height, universal fit, and folds easily for transport. It transforms any location into a proper griddle setup. Its height adjusts to suit any cook in any location. Whether at a campsite, tailgate, or in your backyard, it ensures the proper cooking position wherever your griddle goes. It folds down compactly for effortless transport. This takes up minimal space in your truck, trailer, or garage. Setting it up and packing it down is incredibly fast. Built for the rugged outdoor environment, it offers commercial-grade construction. It securely holds the weight of a full-size griddle and a complete cook session without any flexing or shifting. This is the ideal foundation for any flat-top setup, perfect for the cook who takes their griddle anywhere. Its adjustable height, portability, and commercial grade make it a great gift for Father's Day or birthdays. What we like. This stand boasts a commercial-grade construction, ensuring robust stability and durability for heavy-duty use. If you are looking for a heavy-duty, rock-solid foundation for your griddle that can withstand frequent use and challenging outdoor conditions, this commercial-grade option is your best bet. Its sturdy build ensures a reliable cooking experience every time. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.